Alright, so again, we got another recipe here. It's roasted rainbow carrots. See that? Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's delicious. You have to try it. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so for our carrots, make sure they're nice and washed and rinsed. Okay, we're gonna peel them. And these are rainbow carrots, so they're pretty colorful. Get these guys peeled. And we're gonna roast these guys, okay? There we go. And the orange one. And you don't have to take the skin off these, right? You can leave it on. It's completely up to you. I mean, you've already washed them. You can leave them on. I just prefer to take mine off, right? So let's get these all peeled. You know, and if you see any imperfections, by all means, cut them off. Something you don't like, something you don't want to put in your mouth, cut it off. Other than that, keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Right? All the way to the end. And when you're using a vegetable peeler, be careful. Right? Don't get all out of control. Cut your hands up. Because if you don't pay attention, you're going to have a bad day. Okay? It always happens if you're not paying attention. These guys good to go here. As you can probably hear from the background, the oven's preheating. Right? 375 degrees to start off right now. And we're gonna roast these bad boys. Right? There's this last one up here. Nice and peeled. Alright, good to go. Alright, so let's get these bad boys seasoned up. See what we got? Yeah. Let's get them seasoned up. Okay, so with these carrots, I'm going to line them all up so we can get their sizes under control. Okay? See how they look? And now we want to take our knife, right? And we want to make them uniform. Okay? Give it a quick cut there. Nice and uniform. All right? Alright, so we got these guys here, and we got these guys. Now we're going to use these bottom portions too. Right, we're not going to sleep on those. But what we're going to do, we're going to season everything with salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. So let's get that going. Okay, so I'm gonna add some salt to this, kosher salt, right? Black pepper, make sure you get the black pepper on it. And then some olive oil. Put the olive oil on it. Make sure we get the olive oil on it. And now we want to mix it up to make sure all the seasonings and the olive oil gets all over. Okay? Take your time. Take your time. And now we want to roast this for about 30 minutes, 350 degrees. Okay? So let's get this in the oven. All right, let's put this in. Center over 350 degree oven. Give this guy 30 minutes. All right, let's check our carrots. Gotta check the carrots. Looks good. Look at it. It looks good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to sweeten it a bit. So check this out. Okay, so now to give it a little sweetness, we're going to take our honey and we're going to drizzle some honey on it. Right? It's going to be nice. You don't have to get out of control. Just make sure there's a little honey on it. And we're gonna roast this for another 15 minutes. And then it'll be good to go. All right, so back in the oven it goes. All right, so we're taking the carrots out. Let's just test them. See how they feel. I think I'm gonna give them another 20 minutes. And then they should be good to go. All right, so the carrots are done. Let's take these guys out. There we are. Now we're going to let these rest for about 5 minutes. And yes, vegetables need to rest too. You know, contrary to popular belief, vegetables need to rest, right? We'll let them rest and we'll be good to go. All right, here are our rainbow carrots. They've been roasted. You know, they're honey glazed. This is an excellent way to cook carrots. If you like this video, give me a comment, share, you know, like it. But I'm more concerned about the comments. Give me the comments. Let me know what you think. This is Shrashira, and I'm out.